OpenCart Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and additional resources are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a detailed, no-nonsense review of OpenCart for dropshipping, covering its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best for. Let's get into it. OpenCart is an open-source e-commerce platform that offers a flexible and customizable solution for setting up and running an online store. For dropshipping, OpenCart integrates with a variety of third-party suppliers and dropshipping extensions, such as AliExpress, OpenCart Dropshipping, and others. These integrations allow you to easily import products, manage inventory, and automate the order fulfillment process. OpenCart's open-source nature gives you the freedom to customize your store and make it unique, but it does require a bit more technical knowledge compared to other user-friendly platforms. One of the key strengths of OpenCart is its scalability and flexibility. If you have coding knowledge or access to a developer, OpenCart allows for extensive customization of your store's design and functionality. You can add or remove features, change the layout, and tailor the platform to fit your specific business needs. This makes it an attractive option for users who want full control over their store's features and design. Additionally, OpenCart is free to download and use, which is a huge advantage for entrepreneurs looking to minimize initial costs. However, OpenCart does have some weaknesses. The platform isn't as beginner-friendly as others like Shopify or WooCommerce, and it might require some technical expertise to get the most out of it. While there are plenty of dropshipping extensions available, they can sometimes be difficult to integrate or manage. OpenCart also lacks built-in marketing tools and advanced reporting features, so you'll need to rely on third-party extensions for things like SEO optimization, analytics, and promotions. Who is OpenCart for? It's best for technically savvy entrepreneurs or businesses that need a customizable, scalable solution for dropshipping. If you have the ability to handle more complex setups or work with a developer, OpenCart can be a great option. However, for beginners or those who want an easier, all-in-one solution, other platforms may be a better fit. That's the full review of OpenCart for dropshipping, straightforward and to the point. If you're interested in trying it out, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce platform reviews.